More than 22 million tons of plastic are thrown into the ocean every year. We had the dream to collect and reuse plastic trash from the Portuguese coast. Together with local institutions, NGOs and schools, more than 600 volunteers took action to clean the Portuguese coast. Zouri removed 1 ton of plastic trash from the ocean this year. In the last 2 years, Zouri worked and researched for the best eco-friendly and vegan materials. Now, we are presenting the most ecological and vegan sneakers collection ever made. We are using natural and sustainable materials such as Pinatex, made with pineapple leaves, natural rubber, organic cotton, and plastic trash from the ocean. Timeless and minimalist design with a retro look. Vegan because we don't use animal-based materials, local and 100% made in Portugal. Each pair of sneakers reuses 6 bottles of plastic from the ocean. Join us, support our action for a plastic-free ocean.